Interesting. A burger chain is offering a way for you to bring home the bacon while eating it. Farmer Boy says it's willing to pay someone $1,000 to spend a day testing its bacon.
I'll do it.
The company posted this ad for a so-called bacon intern on its Instagram page this week.
Where do I sign up?
The post lays out the job saying, quote, "One day, $1,000 pay, eat bacon."
Okay.
The company calls on anyone wanting the position to post a video or photo on their Instagram account that explains why they should be the bacon intern. Farmer Boy says it will announce the winner on August 27th.
Good, because my birthday is August 25th. So.